This is crazy. We're supposed to have snow this week. Starting like Thursday on, snow and rain every single day as far as you can see. But right now it's sunny and hailing like crazy. I'm out door dashing right now, sitting at McDonald's, waiting for another order. Crazy. I can't wait for the snow. I'm out door dashing right now. It is pouring, windy. We have a storm coming in. We're supposed to have snow after midnight and go all day to the afternoon, snow. And then another storm, I think, a couple days after that or something. And then lots of rain and snow still on the way next week, later on in the week. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. It's going to be amazing. It's supposed to start at midnight. And it drops, the temperatures drop low like late morning, which is odd, but it's going to be amazing. I'm excited. Bye.